Hey, what's up, everybody? I thought I would just give you an update on Satan Lake construction site. They were planning on digging up the street. A lot of this intersection would be taken up by that. Now I'm told they're going to do that overnight tonight. So there will be some construction workers out here digging into the street, and hopefully by tomorrow morning they'll have plates over it and opened up to traffic. But they're trying to do a lot of work overnight to limit the disruptions to this intersection. We're in downtown Chicago. There's all kinds of traffic that goes through here. There's an L passing overhead. When the L passes above you, it's pretty loud. I was also just told that a lot of these workers are going on 10-hour shifts from 7 to 5. So that will be a change. They have not been working past 3 really. So they are stepping up some efforts in this construction project. This is the CTA modernization project for the Station Lake L station, excuse me. Anyway, so you guys, there wasn't as much happening out here today. They did bring in that big excavator last week, and that has been tearing up the foundations of the old staircases, and they are just about finished with that, but they've only really done that on one corner. They still have 3 corners to go, so they'll have that excavator here a while longer. And I don't know, I'm just trying to think of all the things I can update you on. I'm here talking to the construction workers, hearing what's going on. They said that they were gonna drill a hole in this concrete Jersey barrier behind me to put a new post, and then the drill bit got stuck. So they spent a good little bit of time trying to get this drill bit unstuck, and it was just one of those situations on a construction site where you lost time and didn't accomplish anything. So that's just a part of the construction project. Things break, things happen, you lose time to things that aren't necessarily moving the project forward. But this is excuse me, this is a huge construction project here in downtown Chicago, you guys. I've been giving updates on this, and I will continue to do that, showing off some of the work being done. I'm just going to talk to the camera this morning and tell you what's happening, but more coming. Thank you everyone for watching. Hey you guys, here's just a little bit of the work here. They've been doing this stuff all day long. So this is where the staircases stood, and the staircases had more substantial foundation than the rest of the sidewalk around it, so they had to excavate the foundation, and that is also the spot where the upcoming escalators are going to go. So they will have pretty decent foundation work, but I don't know. I took a video talking about the projects. I just wanted to show you a little bit. Here's looking in the site. I just watched that guy load up that bucket, so that's all trash. I don't know what he's waiting for. This operator is sitting here ready to cross. This guy just needs to open it up and let him get through, hold the traffic back. All right, here he goes. Just running across this active intersection with equipment all the time. Just non-stop having to hold up traffic so they can run equipment across it. This is at Satan Lake in downtown Chicago, you guys.